In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get data quickly with Genspark AI Desktop. The goal here is simple. Gather raw, structured data fast by giving the AI one clear prompt and having it organize the results into a table for you. This is a great workflow when you want speed, consistency, and a format that's easy to review or reuse. To begin, open a search engine and search for Genspark AI. Once the results appear, click the listing for Genspark, described as your all-in-one AI workspace. This will take you to the main platform where you can start building your request. When you're inside Genspark, the most important part of this process is the prompt. Type in a highly structured prompt that clearly explains what data you want and how you want it organized. Be specific about your constraints, such as the categories to include, the format of the output, or the type of sources you want the AI to use. The clearer your instructions are, the better the results will usually be. If you want a table, say that directly in the prompt so the output is easier to scan and work with. After entering your prompt, click New Superagent. This tells Genspark to create a focused workflow around your request. It's essentially preparing the AI to handle the task in a more organized and capable way, especially when you need it to collect and structure information from multiple sources. Once that's set, click Generate. Genspark will then process your request, cross-reference real-time web data, and assemble the results into a clean table. In many cases, this happens very quickly, which is what makes this method so useful when you need fast research or raw data collection without manually sorting everything yourself. That's the full process. Search for Genspark AI, open the workspace, enter a detailed prompt, create a new superagent, and generate the results. If your prompt is clear and structured, you can get useful organized data in seconds.